Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right in. Open SQL Server Management Studio now and don't pause. Once Ssms loads, make sure active queries are saved or closed to prevent modal prompts. You don't need admin rights just to view version info. Running as your user is fine. If you want to update later, note whether you ran as admin. Now navigate to the main menu bar. This next click uncovers the exact build and product details you need. Once you click Help and then About, a dialog appears listing Ssms and component versions. Read it carefully. You'll see a version string and a build number. Copy both. These tell you exactly what release you have and why some features behave differently. If multiple component lines appear, compare the Ssms entry with tools and engine entries to distinguish client versus server versions. Make sure to write down product ID or take a screenshot for future reference or troubleshooting. To finish, decide if you need an update. Newer builds fix bugs and add features. If you plan to update, close Ssms and run the Ssms installer or use the Visual Studio installer link. If the About dialog shows blanks or errors, restart Ssms, then try running as administrator. If problems persist, repair the installation via Control Panel or Settings. One key tip: always capture a screenshot and copy the version text into your support ticket. This speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.